How about just do it?
No, I don't.
I like Stacy. No? Evelyn. Diana?
It's gotta be special. Jessica.
No, I knew a Jessica. She was the head cheerleader and she was a bitch. How about Kelly?
Everything okay? Ravioli's not gonna eat itself, you know.
No, we're okay. Thank you.
Rebecca.
Oh my God, Becky. Look at her butt.
Really?
Okay, how about Gertrude?
You did not just suggest we're gonna name our daughter Gertie? Grace?
After your sister. Add that one to the list.
Okay. All right, so we've got Molly, Jocelyn, Kathleen, Princess Consuela.
She's a princess.
James, just pick one, okay? Please. Chelsea. Ashley. Tanya. Ella. Lisa. Tabitha.
Oh, baby names. Trust me, you don't want your kid growing up with this shitty name. You know what I always thought was super cool? Were those names that were spelled the same way forwards as backwards. What's that called? They're cool because they're circular. They never really end. Oh, damn it.
Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, no worries.
Hey, what's it called when a name is spelled the same forwards as it is backwards?
Palindrome. It's the same as at the end as it is at the beginning.
Yeah.
Is that too much?
It's perfect.
Oh, that was nice. Yeah, that was good. James! Megan? Hey! How are you guys? Hey, it's so good to see you.
How you doing, man?
Aw.
See you, man.
How's our little... Oh. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Anna. Her name was... Her name is Anna.
Hannah.